Are you annoyed with Wi-Fi privacy warning issue on your iPhone? No worries, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi privacy warning issue with some basic changes in settings application. So let's dive right in and fix that connection issue. Before doing anything else, try with turning on and off your Wi-Fi connection. Solution 1. Turn on private Wi-Fi address. First, open the settings app, then go to Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the I button. Now turn on private Wi-Fi address option. Solution 2. Forget and rejoin the network. Open the settings app, then go to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the I button next to the connected network. After that, tap on Forget this network. Then press Forget to confirm and reconnect this network again. Solution 3. Restart your mobile and check your issues. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.